Hi there, it's Ellie here and in today's video I am going to be starting to explain how to use Neobux. Now Neobux is an excellent pay-to-click site and people are earning a huge amount of money from using it. But there are a lot of people who just don't understand how Neobux works, and I have to admit, whenever I first started working online, Neobux was one of the first sites that I joined, and I tried it for like 2 or 3 days and I didn't understand it either. So, I can't blame people for not understanding this site. It is, it's one of those ones, it's like a hidden gem, so you really need to understand how to use it to make money from Neobux. So I'm going to be doing basically, a daily kind of this is what you need to do type video. So the very first one is simply about how to do the ad clicks. So whenever you've joined, you just need to click on the View Ads tab just up here. As you can see, I currently have 13 ads that I can click. So the click ads are sort of separated out into a few different sections. Personally, I just click on all of them. So, if you start with the top ones, these ones for me are paid 0.001. Standard exposure ones are paid, for me anyway, 0.01. And the fixed ads, these are the main ones. There's also micro exposure ones there. Fixed ads are paying me 0.01. So basically, I am earning 1 cent for each of the ads that I click on in this section and in the standard exposure section. So how do you make money from doing this? As I said, I will be doing like a full kind of plan of how to use Neobux. Today, I literally want to just show you how to earn from doing the ad clicks. So first of all, you're just clicking on the title of the advert. So this one is Bitcoin savings. So I'm clicking here. You can see the red dot appears. You have to click on the red dot for the ad to open. It now opens in a new tab, and as you can see at the top here, waiting for the ad to load, and the timer starts, and you can see it's in the 0 of the Neobux. If I go back to the previous part, you'll see that it's gone grey. So this is the ad that I have clicked. The other ones are still coloured, so those are the ones that I have available to click. Let me just go back to the ad. It's going to take a few minutes for it to, or a few seconds rather, not really minutes. It'll take a few seconds for the ad to complete. And whenever I'm using Neobux, personally, I always click on the free Bitcoin banner and claim some free Bitcoin at the same time. So I'm just going to do that while I'm waiting for the other ad to run. So I'm just scrolling down, waiting for the tick, and click on roll. So there we go, I've just added some funds to my free Bitcoin account while I was waiting on the Neobux ad. So there you go. Neobux ad has now finished. You can see here that I've been credited 0.01, and the reason I get 0.01 is because I have an upgraded account on Neobux. So, if you're getting a lower amount for doing the fixed banner ad clicks, then the reason is because you have not got an upgraded account. So that's it at the minute. That's all I want to show you in this very first video. No, I lied. I want to tell you about this as well. For each ad click that you do up here, you will get some chances down here for an ad prize. So at the minute I'm getting 4 ad prize clicks for each click that I get up here. So if I want to do that, then I just click on the ad prize and it does exactly the same thing as the regular ads. They just run a little bit faster, and if I'm lucky, then I will win something for doing this. And you can see here, nothing won this time. I can go on to the next ad. So that's it. Honestly, it is. That's all I want to share with you for today. And I will, as I said, be explaining a lot more about using Neobux and using it effectively over the next sort of few videos. So do come back, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Come back and I will teach you everything that you need to know about using Neobux. Okay, that's it. Take care now. Bye.